In Buddhism, gratitude is considered the mother of all good qualities. The Buddha himself emphasized its significance, stating that having a grateful mind is a blessing for your life. In Pali, the language of Buddhist scriptures, gratitude is known as katan, meaning the ability to remember the help and kindness extended to you. So how can we practice this essential quality? Hey everyone, Zen Charisma explorers. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to the heart of Buddhism, gratitude. Before we get started, take a moment to soak in this beautiful view with me. Now let's talk about the profound practice of gratitude in Buddhism. Gratitude isn't reserved for grand gestures. It can be woven into the fabric of your daily life. From the moment you wake up, express gratitude for the gift of life, for the air you breathe. Even the simple act of having breakfast can become a gratitude practice. Be thankful for those who contribute to your well-being. A heartfelt thank you can go a long way. Everything around you is an opportunity for gratitude. Your computer, the roads you walk on, the nature that surrounds you, all have stories of effort and creation. Being grateful for the seemingly small things fosters a positive mindset. Even during tough times, remember that gratitude can be found in every situation. Gratitude extends beyond good people and favorable circumstances. Embrace gratitude for challenges and difficult people too. They add depth and richness to your life story. Imagine a life without obstacles. Less interesting, right? Bad days and tough people offer valuable lessons and make your life more engaging. The urgency of practicing gratitude lies in its transformative power. Every morning, take a moment to express gratitude. Say thank you for your life, for the people who share it with you, for the challenges that shape you. Cultivate the blessing of being happy with what you have and being thankful for it. In every situation, find something to be grateful for. So here's your daily invitation. Wake up with a heart full of gratitude. Say thank you for everything and everyone in your life. Remember, gratitude isn't just reserved for the good. It includes the challenging and the bad. By being thankful for it all, you'll discover a more fulfilled and happier life. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of gratitude. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, may your days be filled with gratitude and wisdom. This is Zen Charisma, signing off from our Zen Charisma Explorer's Journey. Stay grateful.